Good morning, friends. This is the repeated video of yesterday. As yesterday we have streamed live and there was so much network issue, so we are making this video again today, and again I will repeat yesterday's sum. It is good thing that most of you had sent that sums understood properly, so you have sent that sum, but the video was not proper, so we are repeating the video again today. So in our previous lecture we have started 2.2 and we have solved two of its sums which were having only two attributes. Now today we are going for exercise 2.2 sum number 3, which is having three attributes. Okay, I am reading the sum. Prepare a blank table by considering the following characteristics for the candidates who appear for the different jobs at the bank: designation manager, clerk, cashier, peon, marital status married, unmarried, gender male and female. Friends, here the attributes are given, so we will write the attributes. There are three attributes. Also we will write to need the title, and data is not given, so just we will draw the blank column and we will complete the sum. Okay, yes. So exercise 2.2, we have sum number 3. Okay, we are starting the sum. There are three attributes. Number 1, designation manager, clerk, cashier, peon. Then marital status, in that married, unmarried, and then gender male, female. Okay, these are the attributes. Now we will write the title: table showing information about different jobs at the bank. Different jobs at the bank according to designation marital status and gender. Friends, again I would like to repeat that this title should be continued. If you want, you can write in 3 lines, where first line will be fixed, second line will be about given in the question itself, and the third line will be about attributes. Now friends, again how to make the table. In the table we have 3 attributes. So first we are looking, these has 4 subtypes, these has 2, and these has 2. So the maximum subtypes should be shown vertically and other ones should be shown horizontally. This is main horizontal, this is sub horizontal. Okay, as I said. Yes. Now we are drawing designation and then marital status. Okay. Now here married, in that male, female, total. Unmarried, male, female, total. Total, male, female, total. manager, clerk, cashier, peon, total. Now I will draw the lines, rows and columns. Friends, our sum is complete. Again, there are three attributes. This attribute has 4, this 2 and this also. Maximum attributes should be shown vertically. Also the both attributes are dependent. This is first written so horizontally main and this is written second so horizontally subtypes. We have drawn the columns. Okay, then again totals are at every time. Now we will understand these totals. Male female total, then again male female total. What this is saying, if I am saying total married persons, total married managers, then here total married people, then here, then total unmarried managers, total unmarried cashiers, sorry here, then total cashiers, then here, grand total. Okay, so these things are to be understood very properly. Okay, now we are going for the fourth sum. You may watch this sum. Now we are going for the fourth sum. Okay, now sum number 4. Out of total 1850 women working in a factory, 549 were residing in labor area. Out of total married women of labor area, 250 had experience, 93 were inexperienced. The number of experienced and inexperienced women from other area were 87 and 400 respectively. The total number of inexperienced women was 1336 and of them 136 were from labor area. Out of total women, 1020 were unmarried. Among them, the number of experienced women from the labor area and from the other area were 163 and 14 respectively. Present them in a tabular form. Now, looking at the attributes, you can see the attributes in the first line itself. Out of total 1850 women, one thing is to be noted, friends, here that men and women are not an attribute, because in this factory only women are working, there are no men, so this is not an attribute that everyone must know it. What I was saying, that there are 1850 women, so in this factory only there are women, there are no men. 549 were residing in labor area, means area is an attribute, because here labor area is given and after two lines, third line is given other area, so there are two areas. Okay, then again in the same line, out of total married women, married and unmarried is other attribute and experienced and inexperienced is other attribute. So in first and second line everything is clear. There are three attributes: area of residence, that is labor area, other area, Then marital status, married, unmarried. Then experience, experienced, inexperienced. Okay, now title, table showing information about 1850. We can see from the book women working in a factory. Now attributes, according to what? According to area of residence, marital status, and experience. Okay? Yes. Now, friends, while drawing the columns, again we are looking at the attributes. 3 here, and each one has 2 subtypes, so anything can be written anywhere. But if it is written in an order, then it is very good. First we will write vertically area of residence, then horizontally upside marital status, and horizontally downside experienced. Okay, so we are drawing area of residence, then here it will be marital status, then here married, in that experienced, inexperienced, total, then unmarried, in that also experienced, inexperienced, total, then totals total, experienced, inexperienced, total, then labor area, other area, total. Okay, columns are ready. Once more, area of residence we have shown vertically, marital status horizontally upside, and experience horizontally downside. You can draw it anyway, it's as per your choice, but first we have to see the subtypes. In each subtypes there are 2 subtypes, but if there are more than vertically it should be preferred. Okay, now we are writing the data very carefully. Listen properly. Okay, friends? Yes. Out of total 1850 women working in a factory, so total women are 1850. So total means grand total 1850, as it is written in the heading also. 549 were residing in labor area. See, they are telling total women are 1850. From that, 549 are residing in labor area. Labor area, other area and total. Total women are 1850 and they are talking about the women of labor area, but they are married, unmarried. It is not clear. So these are the total women, 549. And again, just write the things which is given first. Don't take the difference now. First you write the things which is given, then we are solving the sum. Okay? So out of 1850 women, they are talking 549 are from labor area, but they are not clearing married, unmarried, experienced, inexperienced. So don't. Okay. Now out of total married women and total, they are not telling about labor, other and anything. Again we are out of total married women. Okay, now they are clearing off labor area. Married means here, total means here, but total of labor area they are telling. Of labor area, 250 had experience, 93 were inexperienced. So 250 are having their experience and 93 are inexperienced. Again, what they are telling? They are talking about the married women and they are talking about the women of labor area, and in that labor area 250 had experience, 93 were inexperienced. The number of experienced and inexperienced women from other area were 87 and 400. But see friends, they are continuing their words. They are continuing their words that in married, total married women from labor area 250 had experience, 93 were inexperienced, and again they are talking about the other area and these women are married itself, 87 and 400. 87 had experienced and 400 were inexperienced. Okay? Yes. The total number of inexperienced women was 1336. Okay. Inexperienced women total they are telling. So total and inexperienced. There are three choices. Again I will repeat. They are talking about the total women inexperienced. They are not telling married and unmarried, but just they are telling total women and inexperienced. So we have three choices, but they are again clearing the total number of inexperienced women were 1336. They are not taking about the area, so they are telling about the grand total of inexperienced women was 1336, and of them, and out of these 1336, 136 were from labor area. So labor area is this. Okay, they are telling the total women are 1336, and from them 136 are from labor area. Out of total women means again here 1020 were unmarried. Okay, total they are talking, but they are talking now about unmarried. So we are here unmarried, and from these unmarried, total unmarried women. So no from labor, no from other. Total unmarried women are 1020. What they are telling friends? That unmarried women total is 1020. Now they are talking among them, among these 1020. What they are talking? Among them the experienced women from labor area and experienced women. And from other area. They are talking about the experienced women from labor and other. So here and here, not here and here. They are talking only about experienced women from labor area is 163 and from other area it is, sorry, not 17, it is 40. Okay? Yes. So this much information is being provided in the question. Now we will fill out the columns using totals. Okay. Horizontal total of 250 and 93, so 343 total. Horizontally 87 and 400 is 487. Then in this only, first we are talking about merit itself. We have done horizontal totals, now we will do vertical totals. 250 and 87 is 337. 93 and 400 is 493. And 343 plus 487 is 830. You are doing this total, then you are getting 830, or else do this total, check this for 337 and 493 is 830. Okay. Now in this unmarried only one total is possible, 163 and 14 is 177. And also one thing is possible, experience plus inexperience is total. So 1020 minus 177. So remaining 843 we are getting here. So we have done vertical total and we have taken the difference. So we are finding this value. Okay, now here again totals are given. So both these values can be found. 1336 minus 136 is 1200. 1850 minus 549 is 1301. Now friends, all these things can be found using the difference. 549 minus 136, 413. 1301 minus 1200 is 101. Now take these both total. 413 plus 101, it will be 514. Otherwise 1850 minus 1336, again it will be 514 itself. Now the remaining things are only 4 columns. Now these 4 columns, how can be found? They can be found in many ways, but a simple logic we will use. That 250 are experienced married, 163 are experienced unmarried, so total 413 there are total experience. So in the same way, total inexperience from the labor area were 136 and in that married are 93, so unmarried will be 43. What I have done? Inexperienced 136, inexperienced 93, subtraction, so this again you can make total 93 plus 43, it will be 136 there. Again the same way, 549 are total from labor area, 343 are married, so remaining 206 are unmarried. Otherwise you can take 163 plus 43, it will be 206 itself. Now both these things can be found in many ways. How? 843 are total, in that 43 are this, so 800 will be this. And again check it, 400 and 800 total inexperienced 1200. Then 1020 minus 206 is 814. Otherwise how can we check? 487 here total and here total 814 and there it will come 1301. Okay, so these things are over. Now we are checking everything horizontally, vertically. Now first we are checking everything horizontally. 250 and 93 is 343. 163 and 43 is 206. 413 and 136 is 549. Here 87 and 400 487. 14 and 800 is 840. 101 and 1200 is 1301. Again 337 and 493 is 830. 177 and 843 is 1020. 514 1336 is 1850. So horizontal totals are over. Now verticals. 250 and 87 is 337. 93 and 400 is 493. 343 and 487 is 830. 163 and 14 is 177. 43 and 800 is 843. 206 and 814 is 1020. 413 and 101 is 540. 136 and 1200 is 1336. 549 and 1301 is 1850. So everything is being checked. Otherwise total totals also you can check. 163 is 413. 87 and 14 is 101. 337 and 177 is 514. In the same way you can check everything. So friends, till here yesterday also lecture was there. Now today we will complete the next sum also. Now for that next sum everyone must watch the video. It is not that you have sent your work so you will not watch this video. Now friends, what is the thing? The new thing about the last sum is somewhat different. How it is different? That whenever we are having this thing, we are taking the total vertically and horizontally. Now in the next sum, the data is about time. The data is about time. So if we are showing the years 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, then these vertical totals are not required. Why vertical totals are not required? Because we are just comparing. That in 2000, suppose you are comparing your marks. In 9th standard you are getting 85%. In 10th standard you are getting 83%. In 11th standard you may get 85%. Then in 12th will you get this total of this? No. You are getting average of that. So whenever we are having years, do not take that total of years. Maybe it may be horizontally or it may be vertically, but most of it will be vertical itself. So we will write a note and then we will continue with our sum, last sum. And after this last sum, friends, we are going for the 2.3, that is graphical. So everyone please buy a graph book and keep it with you. Okay? Okay. Now before starting the fifth sum, write a note. Note, whenever data is classified according to time, that is years, months or days, comma, total of time is not required. May be horizontal or vertical. Whenever data is classified according to time, now IE means that is years, months or days. Totals of time is not required, maybe horizontal or vertical. You may write this note. And after that we are going for the last sum. Now exercise 2.2, last fifth sum. Okay. There were 1,250 skilled and 400 unskilled workers in a private company in the year 2011. There were 220 female workers and of them 140 were unskilled. In year 2012, the number of skilled were 1475 and of them 1300 were males. Out of 250 unskilled workers, 200 were males. In 2013, 1700 were skilled and 50 were unskilled. Out of total workers, 250 were females and of them 240 were skilled. In year 2014, there were 2000 workers and of them 2% were skilled. Out of total workers, 300 were females and of them 10 were unskilled. Present the above data in form of table. See friends, here the timely data is given because in each sentence the years are specified. 2011 to 2014, 5-year data is given, and so the first attribute is received, that is time, that is year. Then second attribute, there were 220 females in the first line only. In the first line itself you can see 1,250 skilled and 400 unskilled. So the second attribute will be skilled and unskilled, and the third attribute will be males and females, means gender. Okay. There are 3 attributes. Year, that is 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14. Sorry, it is starting from 2011 itself. Then skill, unskilled. Then gender, male, female. Now the heading. In heading, totals will not be shown. Table show you information about workers working in factory according to year, skill and gender. Now year has 4 and both these are 2. So this is vertical, this is horizontal upside and this is horizontal downside. Year, skill may be skill in that male, female, total. Then unskilled, male, female, total, male, female, total. Now year 11, 2012, 13 and 14. Don't take total year because you will not make total males from 2011 to 14. That is not possible, okay? Yes. Now I am drawing lines. Okay, so this is the data ready. Now okay, starting the sum. There were 1250 skilled and 400 unskilled workers in private company in the year 2011. So 1250 are skilled. So total skilled are 1250. Whenever we are talking about year wise, only this is to be filled, no vertical filling, okay, only horizontal filling. And 400 unskilled workers. So they are talking about total workers, total skilled and total unskilled. Now there were 220 female workers and of them 140 were unskilled. Okay. Now what they are talking, see, there were 220 female workers, skilled, unskilled and male, female. They are talking that in total there are 220 female workers. So 220 will come here. Female is here, here and there also. But why I am writing that? Because they are not clearing that they are skilled and unskilled. They are telling that there were 220 female workers and from that 220, 140 were unskilled. 140 were unskilled. Okay? And then again they are writing about 2012. So first solve this 2011 itself. When we are having timely data, then each year is to be solved personally. Okay? Now which is to be found first? This. 400 minus 140 is 260. There were 260 unskilled male workers. Again 1250 total skilled, 400 total unskilled. So total workers in 2011 will be 1650. Again 1650 total workers, 220 are female, so 1430 are males. Now total males are 1430, in that 260 are unskilled, so 1170 will be skilled. Total 1250, in that 1170 are males, so 80 are females. Just we have to take the totals in one line. Now we are checking. 0 plus 80 means 1250. 260 and 140 is 400. 1430 and 220 is 1650. Again, 1250, 400 and 220 and 140 was given. So first what we done, 400 minus 140 is 260. Then next what we have done, friends, that female workers, in that 140 are here, so 80 can be there. That way also we can do. Otherwise what we have done, that 1250 total skilled, 400 unskilled, so 1650 they are total. Then after taking this difference we found this, and 143026 we found this, and from this we found this. Okay. Now next in 2012. In 2012 the number of skilled were 1475, total skill 1475, and of them 1300 were males, and from them they are talking 1300 were males. Out of 250 unskilled workers are 250, and from them 200 were males. Okay, now again 2020. So what they have been given? They have given very easy thing. 1475 total skill, in that 1300 are males, so remaining will be females. 1475 minus 1300, so 170. Again what to do? Unskilled total are 250, in that 200 are males, so 50 will be females. Now take each total, males to males, 1300 males, 200 males, so 1500 total males. 175 females, again 50 more females unskilled, so 225 total. Now 1500 plus 225 is 1725. Otherwise, how we can do? 1475 plus 250 will also be 1725. Okay? Yes. Now in 2030. In 2013 there were 1700 skilled, 1700 total skilled, and 50 unskilled. Out of total workers, 250 were females, and of them 240 are skilled. Out of total workers, total means here 250 were females. 250 were females, and from these 250, 240 females were skilled. Yes. Okay, then they are talking about 2014. So what they have been given? There were total 1700 skilled and 50 unskilled workers in a factory. There were total 250 women, and from that 250 women, 240 were skilled. Easy. First 1700 total skill, in that 1700 total skill, in that 240 are females, so 1460 will be male. Now how to do? Now see females. 250 are total females, 240 are skilled females, so unskilled females are 10. 50 are total, 10 are females, so 40 are males. Now 1460 are males, 40 are unskilled males, so 1500, and 1500 plus 250 is 1750. Otherwise 1700 here, 50 here total, so 1750 also we can get. Now the last one. In 2014, there were 2000 workers. In 2014, there are in total 2000 workers. And of them, 2% were unskilled. Okay, so one calculation. Unskilled workers in 2014. 2000 multiplied 2%. Take your calculators. Write 2000 in it. Multiply 2 and press the percentage button, you will get 40. Okay? So what they are telling, 2% were unskilled. So total unskilled are 40. Out of total workers, 300 were females. Out of total workers, 300 were females, and of them 10 were unskilled. Okay, that's all. Yes. Now, in total there are 2000 workers. 2% are unskilled. So 2000 multiplied 2% is 40. There are total 300 female workers and 10 are unskilled. Okay. So 40 minus 10 is 30 men unskilled. 2000 minus 300 will be 700 total males, 1700 total males. Now 2000 total, in that total unskilled 40. So total skill will be 1960. Then 300 total females, in that 10 are unskilled, so 290 are skilled. And last, two ways we can find. 1700 are total males, in that 30 are unskilled, so skill will be 1670, or 1670 plus 290 will be 1960. So in this way, friends, we have done the sum which is based on time. Then that time can be of year, of months, or of days. But remember, don't take the total of time. We cannot take the total of time. Okay? Yes. Remember that thing only. So friends, today we have completed exercise 2.2. So 2.2 is over. Now we will go for 2.3. And in 2.3, you are having graphs. So buy a graph book. We will do the graphs on board, and also I will send the pics, the photos to you, so that you can solve your doubts. Sometimes it is not possible to see in the photos. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you so much.